Oh, excuse me, Keanu, close that door for me, please. Oh, I meant to say Tayana. Thank you, Keanu. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with our lesson today. We're going to go back to measurement. When I say go, we're going to read the objective together. Okay? Go. Students will be able to measure objects by using a ruler. God bless you. Yes, our objective today is students will be able to, excuse me, thank you. Thank you for all of you that are on task and tracking Ms. JY. I need everyone to track Ms. JY. Objective students will be able to measure objects by using a ruler. This is the vocabulary that we will be using today. Farah, will you read the first vocabulary word, length?
Length. How tall something is.
Show me how tall. Thank you. Gracie County. All right. Width. Hosias, please read the definition for width.
Width, how wide something is.
This is how wide. Good job. All right. Measure. Jaden Bowe, please read the definition for.
To find or show the size, weight, or amount of something.
To find or show the size, weight, or amount of something. Ladies. Inch. Bipla, please read the definition for inch.
A measure of length that equals 1/12 of a foot.
A measure of length that equals 1/12 of a foot. Remember we talked about fractions. All right. An estimate. Osman, please read the definition for estimate.
An opinion of a value.
An opinion of value. So it might not quite be there, but we'll go with the number close to it. All right. All right, so at this point, I want everyone, when I say go, you're going to go back to your community. At a level 0, you're going to sit at your desk and touch nothing. What are we going to do?
Nothing.
All right, so let's start off with community 1. Please go back to your desk at a level 0. Community 2, please go back to your desk at a level 0. Good job, Community 1. Let's see if Community 2 can beat Community 1. Good job sitting at a level 0, touching nothing. Great job, Community 1. Ooh, Community 2 looking good. Community 3, please go back to your desk at a level 0. Great job, Community 3. Doing a great job, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let me feast your eyes on my anchor chart. When measuring, these are 3 key steps that we need to do when we are measuring. I need all eyes. These are the 3 key steps that we need to do with measuring. Number 1, we must line up our object with the ruler. Number 2, you're going to start at 0. I know some of you are looking at your ruler and there is not a 0 on it, but the very first long line that you see at the end, that is 0. Y'all see? Great job. Oh, I'm sorry, Tiana. Please sit over here next to Sophia. Okay. Step 3, pay attention to the unit. None of your rulers have centimeters on it, but if some of you noticed on the ruler, sometimes there's a bunch of little numbers down at the bottom. That's centimeters, but none of your rulers have centimeters. These are only inches, so good job. So you know. All right.
1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch.
So, now, when Miss JY was trying to line up her pencil and measure it, I kept getting different numbers. So let me show you what I did. Now, while I show you what I did, I don't want anyone raising their hand. I don't want anyone talking out loud. I want you to be thinking about what I did wrong. Community 1, your main focus is going to be on picture 1. Community 2, your main focus is on picture 2. And community 3, your main focus is going to be on picture 3. Remember, no talking. This was my first try. Do you see anything I did wrong?
Yeah.
This was my second try. Do you see anything I did wrong?
Yeah.
And this was my third try. This was my third try. Do you see something I did wrong? All right. Raise your hand if you saw a lot that I did wrong. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to want, when I say go, community 1, you're going to go to the back on the carpet and discuss what I did wrong in picture 1. Community, and there is a picture back there. Community 2, you're going to come to the carpet up front and you're going to discuss what I did wrong in this picture. And community 3, you're going to go to the back corner over there and there's pictures of what I did wrong on that floor. And you're going to, excuse me, good. We're going to discuss. We're going to take about a minute or 2 to discuss. But when I say go, the transition must be level 0. Community 1, please go back. Community 2 and community 3, please go back to your area.
Line up objects with the ruler and she I see.
They all the same.
I know what's no, she's like, she put it, she was supposed to put it in the beginning, but then she just put it in the middle. Yeah, she's like, do you mean she didn't put the picture oh yeah, I see.
Okay, what's wrong with this one?
7 inches.
Okay, so who's the spokesperson? Aiden, right? So what you gonna tell him? What she do wrong?
One, two, three, all eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Excuse me, community, we're back in. Community. All right. Community 1. Can you tell the class what we did, what Miss JY did on her first try wrong? What did I do wrong?
Stand up. Stand up.
You have the pencil in the sky and it's not starting at 0.
Oh, so I didn't line the object up to the ruler. Do you all see that? Ms. JY didn't line the object up to the ruler. All right, community 2. Diavion, please tell me what I did wrong in this picture. I didn't line my object up at 0. Like I said, I started in the middle. Yes. In community 3, Aiden Cobb, please tell me what I did wrong in picture 3.
What you did wrong in picture 3, you put centimeters instead of inches, and you put the ruler upside down.
Well, yes. Not necessarily upside down, but yes, I used centimeters instead of inches when I should have been using inches. Should have flipped it around. All right, so I get it. I didn't line my object. I didn't line my object up with the ruler. I didn't start at 0, and I didn't pay attention to the unit. And the unit is inches, not centimeters. So, great job letting Miss JY know what she did wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just show you this here while we're still in our spot. There are a lot of things that we can use measurement for. We can use measurement for building houses. We can use measurement when we're playing sports. This is a field. Yes, when we're playing sports. And then we can use measurement to measure our shapes. Exactly. We can use it to measure our shapes. So now, when I say go to your community, gentlemen, you're going to walk back to your community at a level 0 and wait for further instructions. Thumbs up if you understand. Voices are at a level 0. Go. Great job, Diavion, sitting right down at a level 0. Osiah sitting down at a level 0. Yes, Alyssa sitting down at a level 0. Great job. Great job. Yes. Good job, class. Following instructions. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you, you all have a data tracker. Place your name on the data tracker right now. Pencils down when you're done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in the middle of your pod, every 4 desks, there is a plate. On the plate, there are 4 things that you're going to measure with your ruler. There are 4 things that you're going to measure with your ruler. Everybody is going to need to take time. As you measure these objects, some of them you may have to put an estimate on. As you measure it, you're going to fill in on your data tracker how many inches the pencil is, the marker, the index card, and the reader. When I say go, you're going to go you can speak at a level 1. But I'm going to need you to, my first lap around, I'm going to make sure that you are lining up your object with the ruler. So when I walk around, I'm going to be looking for that. Go.
Okay, no. Let's sit there at the same time. Let's sit there at the same time. No,
Remember, it's at the line. It's at the very first line. Lining it up. Good job. Good job. Pass it around. Pass the next object around.
Okay, so I need that. Seven. Did you do it? No, you have to do that.
Good job. Pass it around.
5 and 2. It's 7.
Okay, so write it down. Good job.
We have to pass it. Bring it. No. Well, you have to do both sides. 8 inches.
Get the next object. Pass it around.
You pass that to the side. Pass it to the side.
What is it?
Yeah, no, she said pass it around.
So start it off as
How much is a microwave?
both of them. You see?
This is the reader. The reader. Write the number. The reader. How many?
Are you done?
Pencil, pass it around. Our group, what is the pencil?
And the index card, there's a yes bearer, just like that. Good job.
This is that second. Reader. This is 2 out of 7.
Make sure you pass it around.
Yeah, but we already did that one.
No, looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Just sit tight. When you are done,
This is 4 inches.
This is not time for that. Let's get a record.
This is 3 out of 2. 6. God, that's good. Wait, 2 4.
there's 2. So you're going to have
Just make everybody go.
good job,
Independent work. Okay, so y'all measure those and measure this. Okay, now, if I was you and I was just sitting here, what is something that you could measure? Just that you're just like you can check the next thing, so you can measure this like that. This is stuff around. Don't
You try though. Good job.
Up, okay. No.
Alright. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. I need all eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, now, down at the bottom of your data tracker, you each have 3 lines to measure independently. Go.
Done.
Okay. No. Since when do we do that? No, we don't. No, we don't. If you are done with it, just put your pencil down.
Hey, we did we're done first. And there's the time.
This lap around, I'm going to make sure that you are starting at 0. Some of you are already done.
Dion, what did I tell you and Jaden Bo to do? Do it.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Good job. There we go. You can fill it all in there. Good job. You done? All right. It looks like everyone has pretty much got they've measured the lines on their sheet.
We're done, yeah. What inches? No,
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So what we've just done is we've just learned how to use a ruler. We learned how to measure things. We did exactly what our objective said for us to do. And our objective said, what did our objective say? Students. Our objective said students will be able to measure objects by using a ruler. Thumbs up if you think that's just what you did. Did we accomplish that today, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes.
All right, so Ms. Jackson is now handing out your exit ticket. On your exit ticket, this is what it looks like. This is what your exit ticket looks like. It is a regular sheet of paper. What you are going to do is you are going to measure from this end to this end, and then from this end to that end, and you're going to put both measurements right here. One here and one here. Make sure you put your name on it because I would like for you to get credit for learning how to use a ruler properly. Go. Make sure you measure the length and the width. Remember the length and the width. Length and the width. And we are at a level 0.
2 inches.
Remember, you may have to estimate. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Depends on how you're holding the paper. When you are done, please place your signed papers in your community inbox for me, please.
Come on. Which way is Lynn? Which way is Lynn? Whatever you think is. Remember the estimates, what's supposed to. Excuse me, Aiden Cox. Get
You are done. Put your papers in the inbox. Excuse me, we are at a level 0.